In this video, I'm about to show you how to use the vidIQ keyword research tool. First, open your Google Chrome browser and search for vidIQ in the search bar. Then click on the first link that appears in the search results to access the vidIQ website. Once you're on the vidIQ dashboard, look to the left side of the screen and click on Keywords. This section is dedicated to keyword research, providing valuable insights to enhance your YouTube content. Here you will see options like rising keywords along with other categories. You can filter the keywords to see trending options for today, this week, or this month, which helps you stay updated on what's popular. Now in the search bar, you can enter any keyword you're interested in, such as Ronaldo. After typing your keyword, press enter, and you will be taken to an overview of the keyword's performance, including search volume and competition. Next, scroll down to explore more insights. Here you'll find matching keywords, which are variations of your original keyword that can help broaden your reach. You can also look at the questions section to discover common queries related to your keyword, providing inspiration for your video content. Lastly, check out the related keywords section to find other relevant keywords that could enhance your video's SEO. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.